What's up guys, my name is Oliver and welcome back to another video. Today we are again going to be playing Fury Road Survivor. We're back. My sister's being a complete baby, like she always is. Okay, playing more FRS. Pick up 10 oil, okay. We're not gonna do this map though. Am I recording? Popular winter. Turn the volume down a bit. Guys, can we also can we get 200 likes on this video? I'm not gonna say like 10,000 like other people because I'm not that sort of kind of YouTuber yet. I haven't got like 1 million subscribers unlike PewDiePie and other people. I don't know, Jacksepticeye, DanTDM, Cam and Jeff. They're quite funny. I think they live in America. Jesus. Ah! Yeah, no! Why is there ice? Do they slip? Yep, it definitely does, because I'm going sideways. Why are you trying to reverse? Ah! No! Yes! Slip! Whee! I love this map. Ow. Ow! I'm busted. That's sad. Oh, a ramp. Yoy! Yoy! Oh, God. Ah! Let's go back to the ice. I like that part. Whee! Gas station! Hope it doesn't blow up. Nope. I'm dead. Ow. There's also another game that I used to play. I can't remember what it's called. But it's like this, but you can actually get out of the car. And like, police come after you. You can get in a boat. You can get in a plane. You can get a helicopter. It's amazing. I don't know what it's called. I'll try and find it. Ah! No. No. Yoy! I mean, like, Yeet is quite old, so, yeah. Oh, what's that white car? I'm gonna go chase after it. Come here, white car. Come here! That white car is very dumb. Like this car. Ugh! No, I'm busted. Busted. Sorry about that part. Free gift? Oil! Oh my god, I nearly have 200 oil. Guys, I'm gonna get 200 and then we can get 2 cars. Or maybe guns or something. I'm not sticking with this gun. I like this. Oh. This isn't ice, is it? A ramp! I love ramps! Oh, no. That's not a ramp, is it? Comment down below if you think that's a ramp. Oh, bye! Guys, comment down... Also, comment down below. That's not a ramp, okay. Comment down below, guys, what game you want me to play next. For, like, a series that I'll play. And... Okay, so... Never mind. Okay, we are going to get a vehicle, a common vehicle, and it's going to be a police car. It's called an original Falcon version 2. Jesus! If you want to know about this game, go watch my first video. It has a bit of like text in it, if you didn't know, if you've already watched it. No! Let's move on. Yay! Toxic waste! Oh wait, this stuff kills you. It killed me in the last episode. I'm just driving along the road like a normal policeman. Never mind. Yeet. Correct on you. Jokes on you. Never mind. Blow up! Yeet! Let's go! How did that? Toxic. Yeet. Jokes on you! Oh god, the game's freezing. I'm on 4 skulls. No, there's choppers and these things. I mean, like, my thing is starting to go black. So I don't know if I'll last that long. Unless, you know, I jump into this dead end and die. Or I run into a red barrel. 43 oil go. What's this? An oil tycoon. Guys, I'm gonna try and get 150. Try and get that free gift. Yeet. Whoa, dude, what are you doing here? I didn't invite you to the party. People these days who just come into parties when they're not invited. Yeah, you blow up. Bye, suckers. Whoa. Hey, get. No, no, no! Go! Bye. Yoy. Ah! Yes! No! No, 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 no! What the hell is that? I'm gonna shoot it. By the way, the gun shoots automatically. So yeah. I think this is for iOS and Android. I don't know. Because I've only got Android. I don't have an iOS device. Whoa! The game freaked out a bit there. Go away, stupid choppers. No one likes you. I swear this is the same route that we went before. Or. And I ran into that red barrel. Yeet, yeet my feet. 5 skulls? I think this is the furthest where we're gonna get, guys. Hey guys, comment down below if I should play War Robots. I've seen it on the Play Store while I was searching. Yee! No, no, no! No, I died! What was my score? 1,000! What? That was for like a good 3 minutes. Okay guys, one more and then I'll end the video. Why do I say that? Bye. I'm just a normal policeman going around, oil is the money, and just filling up my car with oil, because oil's just lying about everywhere. Whoa, boys, suckers! Dun, 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 dun. By the way, the car also drives automatically. By the way, every time I tap, these little white circles come up to show you where I'm tapping to how to play the game. Because, you know, I'm good like that. Yeet! Bye. What happens if I just drive in a straight line? For about 10 seconds. Oh! Bye! Turn. Let's see if we can beat my score of 1,003. Ah! What are those? Do they like launch? What the hell? What the hell? Like, what the actual hell? Yoink! Shoot. Oh, it'd been cool if it hit it. Yeah, look, it's like the same guy. Maybe it's just frozen. No, not today. No, God. Wasted. Really? Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Videos. Yeah. I already said that. And I'll see you guys. Bye.